welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Campaigning for Lok Sabha poll ends, voting on 12th April. Next few hours before poll very crucial. Lok Sabha poll witnesses high-tech campaigning this time. BJP, Congress, AAP use social media to fullest. Facebook, Twitter, phone calls and jingles. Chief Minister slams Congress for using communal card, promises to repay mining dependents' liabilities from e-auction money. Mapsa police arrest couple involved in handbag snatching cases in North Goa. Police recovers high-end mobiles and cameras worth about 2 lakh rupees. And Election Commission approves recruitment of 1,159 candidates by Electricity Department. Posts approved amidst Code of Conduct. Now news in detail. Finally, the campaigning for Lok Sabha poll ended on Thursday evening. Voting is scheduled on 12th April. BJP, Congress, AAP and TMC campaigned fiercely. Sadly, very few national leaders were seen in the state for campaigning. Next few hours before the polls will be very crucial. Have a look.
The campaigning for Lok Sabha polls ended in state on Thursday evening. Now all eyes are set on the poll day, that is 12th of April. However, no national high-profile leaders visited Goa for campaigning.
आवश्यक दिसना आमकां येवंक जाय तशी कित्याक कंपल्सरी आनी तुमीच म्हाका नॅशनल लिडर केला म्हणून हांव आसा म्हणून.
We did not want to invite other leaders, other central leaders, other than Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi, because we found everybody is busy in the election campaign in their respective states.
BJP carried out its campaign in a disciplined way. Congress, however, tried for support of its former MLAs and independent legislators. But Ravi Naik preferred to campaign alone.
तुम्ही अजून मोपाचेर क्लियर ना.
नॉर्थ गोंयचे आमचे लोकांक कितें जाय तेच करतलो, लोकांक विचारून करतलो.
तुझ्या पार्टीचो स्टँड वेगळो आहा.
पार्टी म्हाका लागना. पार्टी तेगेले स्टँड कोण गेले तेका पण ताणें बदललो दिसता तो स्टँड.
Churchill, Shalom and Dayanand Narvekar campaign in their own style. Churchill is contesting on TMC ticket and his daughter Valanka preferred to stay away from Goa. Shalom is contesting as independent, but his father and sitting MP Francis Sardina remained away from campaigning. Congress MLA Marvin Gudino opted to donate his supporters to the BJP. With all this, the election campaign has ended. Now it's time to hear your own voice. Cast your precious vote. Make a wise choice. With Bureau Inputs, Lokik Shilkar for Prudent.
Lok Sabha polls witnessed high-tech campaigning this time. BJP, Congress and AAP used social media to the fullest. Congress was a bit more aggressive on social media than the BJP. However, BJP relied upon public meetings and door-to-door campaigns. AAP had focused more on corner meetings and social media.
This time, most of the political parties have opted for high-tech methods of campaigning for Lok Sabha polls. Social media, local TV channels and radio jingles were the chartbusters. Recorded calls were circulated through mobiles among the voters. Facebook posts, tweets and retweets acquired the mind space of the voters. However, traditional ways of campaigning also continued with the corner meetings and public meetings in the state.
नाही ते कॅम्पेनिंगचो मेकॅनिझम बदलतात नाही तसे कितें सगळें तशें उरता पण एक गजाल लक्षात दवर की ह्या सगळ्या मिडियाचेर जो पळय कॅम्पेन जाता दॅट कॅम्पेन डज नॉट इम्पॅक्ट पीपल अनलेस देर इज अ ट्रूथ ऑन इट. दोन तरेचे कॅम्पेन चालू आहा. एक जेन्युइन कितें तें कॅम्पेन चालू आहा, दुसरो काही बोगस गजाली घालप किंवा अटॅक करप ताचो व्हडलोसो परिणाम जायना. इट सेम थिंग एज मेकिंग स्पीचीस.
Congress this time concentrated more on campaigning through newer means of technology. They were also very active on social media.
आमी न्यू टेक्निक्स आतां जे मॉडर्न टेक्निक्स आसा कॅम्पेनिंगाचे तेवूय सुरू केल्ले आसा फेसबूक ट्विटर व्हॉट्सॅपाचेर त्या शिवाय आमी SMS सिस्टम जाग्यार घातला आमचो PCCचो.
Aam Aadmi Party opted for low-budget campaigning for Lok Sabha polls. Remo's jingle propagating up during last week of campaigning was a big boost for the party.
आम आदमी पार्टीची कॅम्पेन जी केली आमी ती सामकी ट्रेडिशनल कॅम्पेन आशिल्ली. जाता तितलो खर्च कमी करून व्हडल्यो व्हडल्यो स्टेजीन आशिल्ल्यो व्हडल्यो व्हडल्यो हेलिकॉप्टरांनी आमचे लिडर येवंक ना. सोशल मिडिया जी आसा तातूंतूय आमी भरपूर कॅम्पेन केल्या.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
BJP is confident of winning both North and South Goa seats. Parrikar slammed Congress, saying the party is using communal card to survive in the final stage. Parrikar is confident that the election will be a turning point for Goa. He informed that money from e-auctioning of confiscated ore will be used to repay 90% liabilities of the mining dependents.
BJP has addressed almost 32 public and 380 corner meetings in the North and South Goa constituencies during current poll. CM informed that about 95% households have been visited with the election manifesto. Parrikar in his sharp speech said, Salsit is no longer the bastion of Congress.
380 कॉर्नर मिटिंग्स आणि 32 मतदारसंघाच्यो निहाय जाहीर सभा 95% चड घरां more than twice have been visited by our Karyakartas.
He further said, Congress is using communal card to survive a final stage.
सालसेत काँग्रेस बालेकिल्ले हे गजाल केले. आता म्हजो बालेकिल्लो आला म्हणून क्लेम करिना, पण दे आर ऑलरेडी लॉस्ट दॅट citadel. So there is no reason why they should not lose it again and again now.
CM Parrikar hopes that Supreme Court will deliver positive verdict on the Goa mining. He said state government will repay liabilities of the mining dependents from the revenue on e-auctioned ore.
मायनीच्या e-auctionांच्यान बेकायदेशीर जे मीन आसा, जे कॉन्फिस्टिकेट जातले मीन किंवा जे जाला त्या मिनांच्यान येणारे पयशे 90% ह्या लोकांक ऋणमुक्त करपा खातीर वापरपाचे आमी सुप्रीम कोर्टा फुडें शेवटचे आर्ग्युमेंट क्लोजिंग आर्ग्युमेंट तातूंत भितर हो विशय दवरलेलो आसा, जाका पॉझिटिव्ह रिस्पॉन्स आमकां म्हणजे हियरिंगाच्या वेळार पॉझिटिव्ह रिस्पॉन्स दिसला. वी आर वेटिंग फॉर द कोर्ट सुप्रीम कोर्ट फायनल डिसिजन ऑन द petition which is expected any moment.
Reporter Mahesh Ghadi with video journalist Chetan Gawas for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.